Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking down the essentials. Choose a focused niche and register a short domain name that matches intent. Next, provision hosting, opt for managed WordPress or a VPS with SSL and high uptime. This prevents migration pain later. Once your hosting is active, install WordPress, create a secure admin account, and enable HTTPS. Do this now so your site has a stable foundation. It saves hours troubleshooting later and lets you move to design and content immediately. Once WordPress is ready, shape the user experience. Pick a lightweight, responsive theme that prioritizes page speed and readable typography. Next, install core plugins, SEO, caching, backups, security, and analytics, while keeping the active plugin count low to avoid bloat. Configure permalinks for clean URLs, generate an XML sitemap, and set robots. TXT rules. Also create key pages like About, Contact, and Privacy. These steps improve discoverability and performance. Make sure to test mobile speed and adjust settings before adding large. You finish by publishing at least 3 cornerstone posts using a consistent template and interlinking them. This gives new visitors depth and improves SEO. Then lock down operations. Enable automatic daily backups, force HTTPS redirects, and add a CDN or caching rules to cut load times. Verify analytics and test contact forms and comment flows. If something breaks, check cache and error logs first. Clear caches. Disable the most recent plugin and restore the latest backup if needed. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.